Before we get started, please know that this tutorial is intended as a guide for creating reservations associated with CCA curricular or extracurricular activities. If you need to create a reservation for an outside group, including affiliated organizations, please reach out to Jamie Kaler by emailing facilityreservations@ccaschools.org. Now let's get started. Begin by navigating to events.dudesolutions.com/ccamanacsd. You can also find this page in your CCA bookmarks folder. The first step is to sign in using the link in the upper right corner of the page. Please avoid entering a username and password or creating an account. Instead, simply click Sign In using SSO to use your Google account to authenticate. Once that is done, you can click the CCA Internal Reservations link from the menu bar. Here you will find a form to reserve the location or locations you need. Start filling out the form with your event details such as name and summary. These details will all be available to those approving your request. Choose a location or multiple locations and time for your reservation. If you choose the generic classroom option to reserve a classroom space, the facilities team will choose a specific classroom to meet your needs based on the locations available. Choose a category and keywords appropriate to your event. Edit your contact information as needed. Be sure to include any task associated with event setup, equipment, or audio-video needs as required. Add a task description to clarify your requirements. If you'd like to include a picture or have helpful documents, use the final box to attach them to the request. Click Submit to send your request for approval. Keep an eye on your email for updates on your request for inquiries for additional information. Thank you.